Hello there, I am Sergio Explains, and today I want to show you my Johnnie Walker Green in a wooden box, which is a lacquered wooden box. It reflects the light a lot, so it's hard to see on the video, but since I have two of them, you have another one here that I set it so that you can see the front of it. Now, this box does not have a latch, but it has this magnetic closure, and I even love the noise. Listen, huh? And on the side of it, this is just a wonderful box. On the side of it, on one side has Johnnie walking. It's just such a beautiful box. And on the other side, it says, what does it say? Johnnie Walker and Sons. Very elegant, and the bottle is a 70 centiliters from France. This special edition wooden lacquered green, it's green, can you see the green? Green box was, it came out in the French market a few years ago, and it's a very limited edition. I am not sure how many they actually made, but I assume that it was under 1,200 bottles or 1,200 boxes. The bottle is not so hard to get. You can get it almost anywhere. But these boxes were a special edition, and it might as well be that they made about 400 or 500 of these boxes only, because I have only seen 3 or 4 of them in my life, and I do own 2 of them because that's what I collect. This is, as I was saying, a very limited edition, wonderful box of Johnnie Walker Green, and I'll tell you more about it in another video. For now, that's it.